Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store application, and then here in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and installing on your device. Now just open the app and just here click to yes I agree, click close, and here click to OK on the left down corner. And now you can see here the section with our device battery temperature. In my case that's 34 degrees. Also you get here the another information about our device battery health, level, capacity and more other info like the device model, Android version and more other information. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.